What's going on, everyone? Today is the 24th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Lucid. I don't want you all to get wrecked in this stock. I know many people was hyping up this particular market in Lucid a couple of years ago, and here it is today, trading at $4.26. Where are all the hypers? Where are all the people who created content saying that Lucid is going to be the stock over the next 5 to 10 to 20 years? And instead, the price action in Lucid has gone down. That's it. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't make money off of this stock, because you can, but at some point, the longer that we see this market continue to go lower and lower and lower in price, it may not be a good ending. All right, so let's break this down. Did a price prediction in Lucid, you guys can see it. December the 5th, looking for the price to go higher. It did. Congratulations, 14.12% there. Now, the problem that I see is I'm going to show you that the longer term chart in Lucid doesn't look positive. Okay, it looked like we had the opportunity just to get a small run up in price, and now the market's going to continue to come back down. Let me show you. Here it is on the weekly time frame, because I don't want you all to get wrecked in this stock. Look at this. Okay, right here, the week of December the 11th. Look at how the price bar ended, how it printed. And then I want you all to look at that volume. Somebody really came through and tried to offload some of their Lucid in the market, because the volume is high for one. And then two, look at where the price closed on that weekly bar. It closed off of the highs. Somebody sold. Maybe they know something that we don't, which is cool. We don't need to know every detail of what's going on into the daily operations of Lucid. We can see that somebody thinks something is about to go down, because they would not have sold all of their stock last week, the week before. They wouldn't have done it. So why would they do that? And then you can see that that was actually selling, because on this last printed weekly bar, the market went down and it closed on the low. So yes, Lucid is weak. Take a look at it on the 2 weeks. Take a look at Lucid on the 3. This is the printed 3 weekly bar. What's going on in Lucid? Look at how weak that 3 weekly bar looks. Like, I'm not trying to sway your opinion. If you think the market is bullish right now, more power to you. But from the actual proof of this chart, this is a very weak stock. Look at all of these other 3 weekly bars. Like, the market is telling you something. Has it done anything but gone down in price? Even when we see a positive 3 weekly bar, the result is it still goes down. We got a positive 3 weekly bar there. Market did go higher within the last 3 weeks, but it closed back down to where it started the prior 3 weeks. Don't get wrecked. Here it is on the monthly chart. Take a look at Lucid on the 5. So what we need to do is we need to anticipate that the price is going to go back down, right? Now, that is going to be my price prediction now for Lucid. But you can see where we have identified a buy zone. This is where we want to see buyers hit the price in Lucid again. They did it on this 5-day bar back in November. We need to see them do it again, because this will be another buying opportunity for the market. If they don't hold that zone, then, like we're going to predict today, market is going to continue to go lower and drift and go down, period. So this area right here, I'm going to show you, is now a sell zone. Okay, so now we have the teams shown on the chart. Okay, we got sellers up here at the top, buyers are down there at the bottom. Currently, sellers are winning. Okay, so we're going to look for price to go lower in Lucid. Now I want to see this area right here, because this could be a potential buy zone right there. So I'm going to take that, and we're going to look at that on a smaller chart. Let's look at this on the 1 hour and see if that's a pretty good buy zone there. So here it is here. This is where that buy zone is for Lucid. Okay, so that's an area in Lucid there. And here's the biggest buy zone in the market for Lucid. Right here. Okay, so these will have to be our targets. So let me get rid of these lines. Don't want to make it confusing. And let's straighten this sell zone up right here. Lucid. That's a sell zone up there at the top. All right, cool. We got the field laid out. First target in Lucid is going to be around like $4, 4.46% there in that buy zone. Second target is going to be around $4, 6.5%. Third target, let's do it up here. Around 375, 12.44% there. And we're going to look for the price to be weak in Lucid as long as it trades below $4.80. And that's it. I'm done. Now let's see how low it's going to go first. All right. You guys are up next. Give me your thoughts about Lucid. We're going to go down before we go up, or we're going to continue to go higher price. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.